Our trip to Prague starts with visiting Aero Vodochody factory, which is pretty cool because when you're gonna see production of jet fighters, come on.
Yesterday, that was great. From a jet fighter, I saw the scratch, how to do it. From a scratch to a pilot, that was amazing.
So, we met the authorized person from Petr. Thanks to his presentation, I have learned a lot of new startup idea, and I think I can apply this all experience to my future life.
I really liked the evening part of the Seedstars competition. We were doing networking actually ourselves, and it was pretty cool because of Petr's great presentation. We were able to speak with other business guys, and it was really interesting.
Because my department economics and business, I learned that how to speak with them, customers, and how to represent your company.
The best part of the day was Petr's win, of course, so we were really happy that we had such a possibility to support our company idea and start the competition.